Can you fight a red light camera ticket in Ontario? The answer is yes, but I need to qualify what that yes actually means. Red light camera tickets are considered to be vicarious liability. They do not appear on your driver's abstract or driver's record. Therefore, they are of very low concern to a firm that specializes in protecting clients on offenses that would show up on their record or driver's abstract. Therefore, as a rule, we don't assist clients with that type of a ticket. We'll spend time, like we are in this video, explaining what vicarious liability means and how that these type of offenses, and you may have a defense, but it is vicarious liability. So what can happen is that you have a fine, and if I were to be involved, or any of my staff were to be involved in trying to assist you, you would be spending more money than that fine, and you may or may not win. But a win needs to mean something. A win for a defendant or a client, I like to know with certainty that it had value for them, that we fought and we won and we've protected them from something. So when we get into any of these types of charges that are picked up with what I call vicarious liability, that really only serve to be a fine or a tax in the province, I shy away from that. Sometimes we can talk, a long period of time, and clients struggle with that idea of vicarious liability, but it is something that you really need to spend some time and think about. It's simply a way of the province or a municipality in picking up revenue, controlling traffic in that intersection, of course. But the good news when you do, and the only good news when you see a ticket like this, is it's just a fine. And really, in my mind, the only way to make that fine worse is by hiring anyone or a company to go in and defend you. That's a very expensive way of dealing with something like that. In most cases, on something like this, if you're concerned about the fine, and that's the focus here, and that should only be the focus here, you can defend yourself. You have every right to sign back that ticket and ask for a trial date and go tell the court what happened. And if you can advocate successfully that you didn't do anything wrong, well, absolutely, you'll be exonerated and you won't be convicted. But in many of these cases, if you went on your own and advocated on your own, at the very least, you're going to have that fine reduced for you, or given more time to pay whatever fine that may be.